Shalom, welcome back. Do I have a delicious recipe waiting for you guys? So today we're going to be making a Copycat Hooters pickles and the sauce. So you're going to start out with 1 jar of hamburger dill chip pickles. And to this, we're going to add it to the bowl. And we're going to add at least 1.5 cups of milk. You just want enough milk to submerge your pickles. This is going to accentuate the crispiness. Go ahead and set that to the side. And now bring in another bowl. And with this bowl, we're going to add at least 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. And we are going to be seasoning this flour as well too. Now you can always dial down these seasonings if you desire, but my strong suggestion is go ahead and try it. We're going to start out with 3 tablespoons of paprika. And to that, we're going to be adding at least 2 tablespoons of kosher salt. And with that, we're going to be adding some cayenne pepper. I would go ahead and suggest 2 tablespoons of cayenne pepper. If you like it really spicy, you can add an additional. And now we're going to come in with at least 2 to 3 tablespoons of onion powder. And last, we are going to add garlic powder. Again, 2 to 3 tablespoons of garlic powder. I would suggest 3 tablespoons, but of course you guys can always dial it back. Go ahead and give that a quick mix. And what we're going to do is set this off to the side. And we're going to bring in our dill pickles. This recipe is very simple and very quick. So what you're going to do is now transfer the dill pickles right into the flour. Try to do your best not to crowd too many pickles in there, because you do want these pickles to be very coated with the flour. And also, did I mention the milk helps with the coating? And soon as that's over with, you're just going to go ahead and transfer it off to the deep fryer. If you do not have a deep fryer, that is absolutely okay. You can go ahead and fry this in a frying pan with some regular vegetable oil. And then once you have all your pickles gathered, go ahead and drop them down in the deep fryer. You're going to wait until you see at least a golden brown color. The indication that these pickles are cooked is they will float up to the top, by the way. If you guys could smell my kitchen right now, it smells absolutely amazing. So while those pickles are cooking, we're going to go ahead and do the sauce. And I guarantee you, once you taste this sauce, you're going to be making it again and again. So what we're going to do is we're going to start out with at least a cup of Hidden Valley Ranch. This right here is the signature. And you're going to add hot sauce, about a good. So you're going to start off with 5 tablespoons of hot sauce. Now, if you want to dial it back, you can, but if you like it spicy, go for it. Then we're going to add at least 1.5 tablespoons of cayenne pepper. If you want it a little spicy, go ahead and add that too. Then we're going to add a little bit of onion powder, which is 1 tablespoon. And then we're going to go in with 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. And when I tell you, you can always dial these seasonings back to your liking, you definitely can. Make sure that you stir this, because then once you stir it, it's going to become this nice kind of peachy color. But let me tell you guys, when you taste this, you will not stop making this. I guarantee you. It will go on anything. And when I say absolutely anything, anything. But for the most part, you will love this and you will enjoy this, and this sauce is addicting. Okay, so once your pickles are done, go ahead and take them out of the deep fryer, just like this, as you can see on the screen. And from there, enjoy. So like I say all the time, like, share, and also subscribe. And with that, stay strong, stay healthy, stay in the spirit, and I will see you guys next time. Shalom.